Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz SL63. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Okay, I do see two chips right here. Let's have a look at the driver's fender and wheel. This fender and wheel looks good. I'm not seeing any scratches. And the fender has some dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. Everything here looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The trunk and back bumper look fine. They have no scratches, no dents at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Not seeing a scratch on this quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks fine, no dents, no scratches. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks fine as well. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in good condition. And also around the steering wheel looks good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.